you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
What's going on, man?
How's it going?
All right. Was this another color at first? Okay, it was always blue.
It was red a long time ago.
Okay, a long time ago. Did y'all have this in Arkansas or something?
Yep.
Okay,
Yep.
I'm seeing it a while back.
Yeah, Arkansas, I believe it had the 5 MTs in it. Now I've got the Sky High FXXL in it.
Swap it on. Can I get a demo?
Alright.
Y'all going back again this year?
Yeah, I think so. I think we've got to work that again to where we're going to get an Airbnb again. And
Yeah.
thank you.
All right, you want me to close it up and leave it
Yeah,
out?
go ahead and close that one.
Oh yeah, you swapped it out. Them things gotta be heavy there, ain't they?
Them 5s are pretty heavy too, though, really.
They look good. That's it right there.
Appreciate it.
What kind of battery you got in here? This thing ain't dropping at all.
190 amp hour C-Max.
It's a big bank.
Yeah.
Okay, well, let them know what all you running in here, man. That thing's impressive.
So I've got 4 18-inch Sky High FXXL G1s. They're ran AMPEREs per 10K at 1.0. gain matched at 119.5. All of us running off of 190 amp hour C-Max.
Yes, sir. Y'all let them know they can find you on social media if you're on there.
The only thing I got is Facebook. It's Cameron O.C. Craney.
Okay, y'all know my tag on that envelope. Good seeing you, bro. We get together again, man.
Yep.
Thank you.
Hopefully, definitely see you at Arkansas.
Yeah, Arkansas. Yeah,
yep.
we're going to get together.
All right, have a good one.
You too, bro.
You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.